I'm hungry. Who are you?
I forgot who I was for a second. Brad, making my first ever appearance on camera. Clearly.
Okay.
I got the camera nerves.
We're gonna try this again. Hey guys, it's Janelle from Steamy Vegan Kitchen and welcome to my channel. Today I have a very special guest joining me. It is my husband. Who are you?
I'm special.
Tell the people who you are.
I'm Brad, our special guest today.
Very special. It is hot out today. It is like 27 degrees.
It's steamy.
It's very, very steamy in here.
Goes with the theme of the channel.
Yes, which also means that it's barbecue season because it's almost summer, which also means it's coleslaw season. That's right, I'm gonna show you guys how to make this delicious, creamy, crunchy, tangy coleslaw today.
Wait a second. I gotta be honest with everybody. I cannot stand coleslaw.
Nice.
I don't know why I got invited
fantastic
to
that
this
you're
episode, but I've always grown up hating coleslaw. I went through a brief phase in high school where I loved the KFC coleslaw. I think everyone has gone through that phase at some point in their life. So this will be a big test for me. I think she invited me on today just to change my mind about coleslaw.
Yes. That's the goal. So we're gonna show you guys in this video how to make this. It's super simple. All you need is a little manual grater or a food processor. Is even better if you have one because then you can just like put it in and it just does all the hard work for you. Anyways, I actually have never really been a coleslaw fan myself, but you know, I was convinced that I could make a better coleslaw than the ones out there. Plus make it vegan. This coleslaw is so good though. It's like made with cabbage, carrots, we got some tanginess from some Dijon mustard. It's sweet with a little bit of maple syrup and some dried cranberries. We got some on my table here. This stuff is good, y'all. It's good.
Let's get to the ingredients.
Alright, for this recipe you will need half a head of red cabbage, core removed, 3 medium carrots, 3 spring onions, half a cup of sunflower seeds, 1/3 of a cup of dried cranberries, 1 block of smooth tofu, lightly pressed, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 1/3 of a cup of vegan mayo, salt and pepper to taste, and half a cup of fresh cilantro with the stems removed. Let's start by making the coleslaw dressing. With a paper towel, gently squeeze the tofu in your hands to draw out any extra moisture on the surface. Gently break apart and place in the bowl of your food processor or high-speed blender. Next, add in the vegan mayo, maple syrup, apple cider vinegar, and Dijon mustard. Add the cilantro on top and gently press down with your fingers. Secure the lid and blend on high until almost completely blended and creamy. Add in your salt and pepper, blend again, and adjust the amounts of salt and pepper to taste if needed. Remove the lid and put the dressing in the fridge to chill for a while you prep the veggies. Slice the cabbage into strips that will fit inside the feed tube of your food processor. Grate and chop the ends off the carrot and finely dice your spring onions. Tip: regrow your onions. Leave the bottom 2 to 3 inches above the root of the onion and place in a little cup of water, and within a few days you'll have lots of new growth. With the grating blade assembled, on medium grate if you can. Mine was a little bit finer than I'd prefer, but it still works. Process your cabbage slices and carrots. Carefully remove the blade and transfer the shredded veggies into a large bowl. Scrape all the bits, no cabbage left behind. Add the green onion, dried cranberries, and sunflower seeds and mix until well incorporated. Pour in the dressing and mix until everything is completely coated. So fresh, so crunchy, so tangy, so good. Garnish with some more green onion or cilantro and enjoy! Well, people, I hope that this video has really convinced you to try this coleslaw, even if you're not vegan. I mean, just make it, try it. You'll like it, I promise. I guess I can't promise. The moment of truth has finally arrived. Brad's gonna try my coleslaw, and I'm gonna spoon feed it to him.
I think I can handle it.
But I want to spoon feed it to you like a little baby. Please. Oh, that was graceful.
That's some good coleslaw.
Tell me more.
It's phenomenal. I'm a changed man. This coleslaw has changed my life, or at least my barbecue season life, because that's actually really good. The cranberries and the green onions, and I highly recommend I am converted to worship your coleslaw from now on. Yes.
Also, this coleslaw goes really well with this. This here is my smoky sweet potato black bean burger recipe coming soon, by the way. Because, yeah, coleslaw and burgers just go together. I just burped. Make sure you try out this recipe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you love this video, poke that subscribe button. It's here, here. And also hit that little bell button so you receive notifications whenever I post a new video. I post videos a few times a week, so make sure you subscribe. Oh. Literally choked me. I felt that spoon hit like the back of my throat.
That's a big spoon.
Okay, I'm gonna go eat this because it's not getting any colder with how hot it is out here. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a great day. We hope you have a great day.
Yeah. Happy to meet you, join you in your food exploration of vegan food.
We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Want some more?
Yeah.